Hey guys, it's Lisa and I am ready for all of the Easter crafts. So in this video, this is going to be part 2 or the other part of a video. I did a video on how to design these from scratch in Silhouette Studio. You can check that out. That will probably be on my channel soon. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a design in Silhouette Studio so that you can cut and engrave with your Glowforge. And we are making these cute little bunny tags for Easter. So if you want to learn how to do this, go ahead, keep on watching. Don't forget to check the description below for a link on how you can download these files for free so you can use it with your Glowforge machine. Okay friends, so here I am in Silhouette Studio. I have my designs ready. Now I realized after the fact that doing a video with both designing and cutting was too tall of a task because there are a lot of steps involved to this. So I will have a separate video and blog on how to design this because we did make this from scratch. But I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up to cut and engrave with my Glowforge. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I want to make sure my designs are the size that I want them to be. I want them to be about 3 inches tall, so you can see this one is a little bit taller, mainly because I have that bow tie, so I'm just going to bring it down just a little bit. I don't really care if they're like drastically different. Actually, I'm just going to hit Control Z because I liked that height. Whatever, they can be a little bit different. So Glowforge takes our files and it reads different commands by the line color. So you'll see that my bunnies here have red lines, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the words in here because I want that engraved. So I held down Shift to click on both of those, and in the top left corner you can see your line color. I'm going to go ahead, click a different line color. So now my bunnies have one line color, which is red, and my words have another color, which is purple. Now keep in mind, again, you need Silhouette Studio Business Edition to export SVG file. 100% worth it. Please get it. So we're gonna go over, grab our bunnies. I'm gonna file, save selection, save it to hard drive, and then we're gonna save it down. We're gonna choose right here, SVG, and then we're gonna call it Final Bunny Tags. I had it already there, so we're gonna go do that, and then hit OK. Yeah, I wanna replace it. So now we're all set to go. I'm gonna go over, jump on the, well, I'm on the computer, but I'm gonna jump on the computer I like to use for Glowforge, and I will show you how I set this up in the Glowforge app. Right, so I'm using proof grade material just because I still have it and I like using it. We have our QR code right here. So this is medium basswood plywood. So let's go ahead, close this up. We're gonna let Glowforge scan this while we set up our design. So let's go back over here. So we're going over to Glowforge. Let's go ahead and upload our design. So let's go over and get the design files. So we're gonna open up our design file. So you'll see it's processing. My Glowforge is setting up. So right now it's still scanning. Oh look, I gotta choose my Glowforge. So we'll go over here. So it's centering. Here's the last thing that was shown over there. So we can go over here and wait for that. So for my bunnies, you'll see right here, enter settings. We are going to cut it. And then for our words here, we're going to engrave it. Now right now it's asking me what it is because my computer, my Glowforge software doesn't exactly know what's in there. So let me go over and fix this screen so you can see it better. So now my Glowforge software knows what's in here. There's medium basswood plywood. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually set up my design up in the corner so I'm not wasting material. And so we're gonna go over, we have our words set to engrave. So we have SD graphic, I'm gonna do SD graphic, and then we have cut. So this is a proof grade cut, so we don't really need to do anything else. But you can see how because we have the different line colors, they came in as different functions. So we're gonna set this up, let's hit print. It will prepare it. All right, so it's gonna take 4 minutes. We're gonna go over to our machine and press print. Okay, so remember, this is proof grade material. Of course, you can cut your own, no big deal. But what I like about proof grade is that the settings are all in there. So this will come out super easy. So you'll see one stayed behind. Oops, oh, I should put the door down right. On a scale of 1 to 10, how often do you forget to put that door down? Because I always do. So we're just gonna pop this out. Sometimes you get your corners snagged. Super easy. So we put this to the side. And now we have our little Easter bunny tags. So I think it's a really cute project for this time of year if you're building your Easter baskets or working on different things. Super simple. And I'm just being extra cautious when taking this out just because it is a little bit thinner. I wanted it to be thinner. You can see we're all good there. We'll pop out that little bow tie. All right, and so you'll notice with proof grade material, it already comes pre-masked. What that means is that there's paper on it to protect it. So once we're done, we're gonna go ahead and peel up this paper, and this will expose our actual tag. So here's the back side that I'm doing. You can see it came right up, and now I'm just gonna find a corner to start peeling this up. You can see that charring goes away because it's actually on the masking. So I'll go ahead and take the masking off the other one, and then I'll give you a closer view. All right guys, so here are my finished tags. So really cute. You know, it kind of depends on the style you want to go with. Hopefully you can find one that works real well for you. I like the kind of thinner look, so I think that this will look really cute on little bags or Easter baskets or just whatever you just want to do it. I also think that this would be really cute, like if you have an Easter dinner, to do this as little place settings. You know, just an idea. You can do whatever you want with it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are in the market to get a new Glowforge machine, check out my link below on how you can save $500 on your own Glowforge. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I put out videos all the time on designing Glowforge silhouette and everything else you might want.